Artificial intelligence. The increasing adoption of artificial intelligence in finance is reshaping financial systems by improving efficiency while raising concerns about job losses and ethical risks. Artificial intelligence in finance. Artificial intelligence refers to the use of machine learning, data analytics, and algorithms to simulate human intelligence in decision-making processes. In the financial sector, AI is increasingly being used to automate operations, improve accuracy, and enhance customer experience. Financial institutions across the world are rapidly adopting AI-driven technologies to remain competitive in a data-intensive environment. According to industry estimates, a majority of financial firms are already using or experimenting with AI solutions, highlighting its growing importance in the sector. Benefits of AI in the finance industry. AI has brought significant improvement in the functioning of financial institutions, especially in terms of efficiency, risk management, and customer engagement. Improved operational efficiency. AI-powered system can process vast amount of financial data in real time, enabling faster and more accurate decision-making. Applications include credit scoring using machine learning models, portfolio management optimization, algorithmic trading system. These tools reduce operational cost while improving the speed and reliability of financial services. A large proportion of financial institutions cite efficiency gains as the primary reason for adopting AI. Enhanced risk management and fraud detection. AI has revolutionized risk management by enabling predictive analytics and anomaly detection. AI systems can analyze millions of transactions in real time, detect suspicious patterns indicating fraud, predict potential financial risk before they occur. Studies show that AI-based fraud detection systems significantly reduce financial losses and improve detection and speed compared to traditional methods. Improved customer experience. AI technologies such as chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24 by 7 customer support. Additionally, AI enables personalized financial product recommendation, tailored investment advice, faster query resolution. These improvements enhance customer satisfaction and build long-term client relationships. Challenges and risks of AI in finance. Despite its advantage, AI also presents several challenges that must be addressed for sustainable adoption. Job displacement and workforce disruption. One of the most significant concerns is the potential loss of jobs due to automation. Roles involving repetitive tasks such as data entry and routine analysis are particularly vulnerable. Studies suggest that a substantial number of jobs in the financial sector could be automated in the coming years. However, while some jobs may be lost, new roles requiring advanced digital skills are also emerging. Ethical concerns and bias. AI systems rely on historical data for training. If this data contains biases, the algorithm may produce discriminatory outcomes. For example, biased lending decisions, unequal access to financial services. Such issues raises concern about fairness, transparency, and accountability in financial decision making. Cybersecurity and systematic risk. As financial institutions increasingly rely on AI, they also become more vulnerable to cyber threats. AI systems can be targeted through algorithm manipulation, data breaches, and system vulnerabilities. These risks could have significant implications for financial stability and consumer trust. Impact on employment and skill requirements. AI is transforming the nature of work in the finance industry. While automation is expected to reduce demand for certain roles, it is also creating new opportunities in areas such as data science, AI system management, digital risk analysis, and compliance and regulation. According to global estimates, while millions of jobs may be displaced, a comparable or higher number of new jobs will be created in technology-driven roles. Changing skill requirements. The finance workforce is increasingly required to possess analytical and problem-solving skills, digital literacy and programming knowledge, ability to interpret AI-generated insights. Continuous learning and reskilling have become essential for adapting to these changes. Global trends in AI adoption. The adoption of AI in finance is expanding rapidly across the globe. A majority of financial institutions are already implementing or piloting AI technologies. The global AI in the finance market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. AI-driven systems are reducing investigation times and improving operational outcomes. These trends indicate that AI will play a central role in shaping the future of financial services. Need for regulation and governance. Given the risk associated with artificial intelligence, there is a growing need for a strong regulatory framework. International organizations have emphasized the importance of transparent AI systems, ethical use of data, accountability mechanism, robust cybersecurity measures. Effective governance will be crucial to ensure that AI enhances financial stability rather than undermines it.